Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate recipes at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need cocoa powder, sugar, and a fat like coconut oil or butter. A saucepan, a whisk, and some molds are also essential. This method is perfect for beginners and yields delicious results with minimal effort. We'll focus on creating a smooth, rich chocolate that's versatile for many treats. Get ready to enjoy the process. Now let's get to the fun part, melting and mixing. Start by gently melting your fat, like 1/4 cup of coconut oil, in a saucepan over low heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Keep stirring until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. You can also add a dash of vanilla extract or a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavor profile. This step is crucial for a silky texture. After mixing, it's time to set your homemade chocolate. Carefully pour the warm, liquid chocolate into your chosen molds. Silicone molds work wonderfully for easy removal. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to eliminate any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish. Then, place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Patience here ensures a perfect snap when you break it. Congratulations, you've made your own chocolate. Once fully set, carefully pop the chocolate out of its molds. You can store your delicious creations in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or in the refrigerator for longer freshness. This simple method allows you to customize flavors and shapes. Enjoy your homemade chocolate as a delightful snack, or use it in other desserts. It's truly satisfying to create something so tasty from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.